Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Meron tayong New Moon in Leo ngayong araw na to, August 16, 2023 at 5:38 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So, for manifestation and new moon rituals, pwede nyong gawin yan hanggang bukas ng madaling araw, 3 a.m. So, itong New Moon in Leo ay the birth of creativity, expressing and healing your inner child, and boosting your self-confidence and courage. So, ang opportunity nyo rito is paano nyo madedevelop pa yung lakas ninyo, yung inner strength ninyo, yung inyong courage, yung lakas ng loob. Ayan. And how are you going to expand your creativity? Dahil maaring meron pang mga bagay na hindi pa natin natutuklasan tungkol sa sarili natin, na kaya pala natin yon, or magiging interesado pala tayo sa isang bagay na matutuklasan natin dahil meron tayong itatry or nakikita natin sa paligid natin, susubukan natin. And from there, you will realize, oh, meron pala akong talent dito, or alam ko pala to, magaling pala ako dito. So, you'll never know talaga unless you try. So, that's why you're going to expand your creative skills, your creative ideas. You may also be taking action finally dun sa mga ideas na gusto mong subukan. And ang goal dito is kung paano ka iiwas sa drama sa buhay, dahil maaring maka-experience ka ng mga dramatic situation sa different environments, like sa bahay mo, sa family mo, or sa friends mo, or sa trabaho mo. So, kung alam mo na medyo mataas na yung energy or yung emotion sa paligid mo, ikaw na mismo yung, mag-try na umiwas para hindi na maging stressful yung situation sa paligid mo, okay? And another goal is to overcome your ego. May mga bagay na kailangan na lang natin palagpasin. Huwag na nating patulan, lalo na kung hindi naman worth it. Sabi nga nila, choose your battles. Para hayaan mo na patunayan nila kung sino sila. At ikaw, as long as naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, you don't need the approval of other people para lang to feel good about yourself. Ang importante, ikaw mismo, may tiwala ka sa kakayanan mo. Okay? So for you, Libra, itong New Moon in Leo ay mangyayari sa inyong 11th house of friendship, your community, your collective efforts, and originality. So maaring meron kang mga bagong ideas on how to earn money, kasi itong Venus is also money rin yan, pera rin yan, no? And also beauty. So maari ring meron kang mga aayusin na connections with some other people, like especially sa community mo, meron kang i-develop or magkikreate ka ng isang community wherein meron kayong pare-parehong interest, no? Na let's say for example, mga clubs, mga groups, no? Facebook groups, yung mga hobbies, meron kayong mga libangan, ganyan. And I also see you thinking about other ways to make money through your community. So, maaring you will be networking. Ayan, magne-network ka. You will connect with more people, with friends. And maaring meron ka mga ideas na i-share mo sa iba. And through that, maaring itong magdala sa'yo ng swerte, ng income, no? Through the efforts of the community that you are in. And then, meron lang tong challenging aspect sa Jupiter, sa Uranus, in Taurus in your 8th house. So, 8th house is other people's money and also resources. Some of you, maaring magkaroon kayo ng challenging situation sa resources na kukunin nyo galing sa mahal nyo sa buhay. Or, pwede ring, yung person na yon is against siya sa mga plano mo. So, maaring maging challenge yan kung paano mo siya kukumbinsihin na sa mga gusto mong gawin sa mga projects mo para somehow tulungan ka niya or pahiramin ka ng pera, pahiramin ka ng gamit, ng resources to make things work for you. Maaari ka rin makakuha naman ng suporta galing sa romantic partner mo kasi meron tong trine sa inyong Chiron North Node in Aries, which is in your 7th house of partnerships and relationships. So I see you working with a lot of people, collaborating, partnering with others, lalo na when it comes to business and also concerning sa community and networking. So some of you are meant to do things na mas magiging successful ka if you have someone working with you, no? Kesa sa to be on your own. Kasi mas maganda, sabi nga, the more the merrier, 'di ba? And use your charisma. Kasi mga Libras, charismatic yan. Use your charisma to your advantage na kung saan, you can make things happen while working with other people and connecting more with your community. So, maari lang magkaroon ka ng challenging situation dito or maaring frustration, okay? Frustration related to your home life, your family life. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, may yung mga plano nyo or yung mga gusto nyong mangyari against dyan yung parents ninyo or may conflict siya sa family ninyo. Halimbawa, ikaw ay gusto mong may maraming makausap na tao, you want to connect with a lot of people or to try or start a business, pero marami ka ring responsibility sa family life, no? Especially if you are a single parent or kahit hindi ka naman single parent, marami kang kailangang asikasuhin sa bahay. So, magkakaroon ka ng frustration doon dahil you want to make things happen right away. So, kumbaga, it's time for you also to plan things ahead. Planuhin mo yung mga activities mo, i-manage mo yung oras mo ng maayos para maging madali sa'yo, marami ka pa rin ma-accomplish. And meron din tong frustrating energy sa Neptune and Pisces, which is in your 6th house. 6th house is about your work, your co-workers, your health. So, you have to make sure na lang din na naalagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. Hindi lang laging ibang tao yung iniisip mo, but also yourself. Kasi 6th house is about your health. So, maaring, yun nga, kung masyado kang busy, marami kang ginagawa dahil sa you are taking care of a lot of things, your family, your career, and your community. So, always remember rin na to give time para sa sarili mo na magpahinga. Kumbaga, there's always another opportunity for you to focus or improve whatever you are doing. Ang importante is you are also taking care of yourself kasi that is your energy eh. Ayan yung pinagkukunan mo ng resources mo. That is your main resource. And also Libra, during this time, especially that the North Node is in your 7th house of relationship, maaring may mga bago kang connections na, may mga bagong connections na mag-open for you na mga opportunities. Like for example, meron kang makikilala na bagong acquaintance pagdating sa ganitong side ng business or ganitong industry na in the future, kakailanganin mo, 'di ba? So there's going to be people that will give you support sa mga i-explore mo pa sa future. You have the Judgment card. So this is change, this is rebirth. So maaring meron kang babaguhin na sistema mo sa buhay na alam mong hindi na nagwo-work for you. So babaguhin mo na 'yon, ibang approach na para may bagong direction. You also have Temperance card, patience. Napaka-importante na maging patient ka ngayon sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve. May mga pagkakataon na hindi pa sa atin ibibigay because it's not yet time or there's better. There is something better. You also have the 10 of Wands. So marami talaga kayong marami kayong responsibilities. And itong mga responsibilities na to, sometimes you feel na parang ang bigat, bakit ganito, bakit nararamdaman ko to, bakit marami akong responsibilities. That's why it's time for you to finally manage your time kung saan ka mas mag-excel at whatever works for you, no? let's say kung mas functional ka sa hapon, then dun mo pagsamasamahin yung mga magagawa mo, o kung kailangan magpahinga ka muna sa morning, o may mga ganun na mas nagiging functional sila sa tanghali or yung iba naman sa gabi. So ang importante is you make the most out of your time. Okay? And of course, dahil meron tayong new moon in Leo, it's time for you to shine. Yes, show the world your talents and skills, Libra. And your confidence is going to bring you success. Ang importante, naniniwala ka, nagtitiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.